Near Wallet, complete guide to mining hot. With the launch of the new Near Wallet on Telegram earlier in 2024, it's a great time to start mining hot, while it's free and accessible for anyone. It looks quite promising, given that after Chain Abstraction starts in Q2 2024, you'll be able to use hot to do transactions on Ethereum and other Ethereum-like networks. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. What is hot? Hot is centerpiece for Telegram wallet with fair launch. Just create an account to start mining hot. Meet Near Wallet on Telegram. The task is very simple. You will mine hot token every 2 hours, then slowly upgrade it to earn more hot as you progress. It is centerpiece for Telegram wallet. Hot token allows you to cover transaction fees, buy assets in dApps. Hot mine. This system is directly supported by the Near cryptocurrency wallet, developed specifically for the Telegram Messenger. You need to enter the game once every few hours and collect your hot tokens. Along the way, developing the settlement. In this project, I am more confident than ever. Now we will calculate how much you can earn. In total, 2 million tokens were mined, and the number of investments will be a minimum of $100 million, which for a project with a capitalization of $4 billion will not be a difficult task. As a result, we have the following price, $50. Is it a real wallet? Absolutely. Creating an account means you're setting up an account on the Near blockchain. It's fully functional, allowing you to store, send tokens, or export your account to any other wallet. To get started with mining hot right away, follow these steps. Open the Near Wallet bot in Telegram by follow this link Near Wallet. Create a wallet by clicking Create New Account. On the next screen, you'll see a seed phrase consisting of 12 words. It is crucial that you save this in a safe and secure place. Otherwise, you will not be able to recover your wallet in the future. Once you have saved the seed phrase, click on Create and wait till your account is created. When that's done, you'll be greeted with the Wallet app. Click on the Claim Your First Hot button and go through the steps. There are 3 things you can do to increase your hot mining speed. Upgrade your fireplace. There are 6 levels of fireplace. You can upgrade your fireplace by using some of the hot tokens you mined. This will allow you to mine hot faster every hour. Upgrade your wood. You can upgrade your wood by purchasing more Near tokens. This will allow you to use higher quality wood, which will burn longer and help you to mine hot faster. Invite friends. By far the best way to increase your mining speed is to invite friends to join and mine hot with you. When they mine hot, you get 20% of the hot they mine and 5% of what their friends mine. Fees associated with hot mining. Mining hot is free. However, each transaction on Near protocol requires a small gas fee, which is usually around $0.005. You can, however, choose to deduct the gas fee from the hot you mine, which technically makes it completely free. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.